doesn't love playing video games? Japan has always been a world leader in both the hardware and the software that makes these games so entertaining. Games like the Super Mario series, with its enormous worldwide following. In December 2021, a contest was held in Tokyo for young game creators. The judges were presented with the best out of 150 entries from all over Japan. The unique thing was that almost all these creators were still at school. This was the 8th year of these awards, and the competition was fiercer than ever. When you look at the games that make it to the final round, they all show a level of design, graphics and sound that ensures they're easy to play and have a lot of depth. I'd say they're almost the same standard as commercially produced video games. This year, in the end, it boiled down to a contest between these two young creators. Shimo Hirayoji is in his 3rd year of junior high school. His creation is an action game set in the near future. Yoji says he started making games as a way to express himself. His inspiration for this game came from a construction site that he often walks past on his way home. Part of it is this really huge structure that always made me think of a giant gate. I had the idea of a game that would give players the same sort of mysterious sensation I felt when I walked through this site. In Yoji's game, the player moves deeper and deeper through the frame, defeating enemies as they appear. Impressed by its intense and immersive gameplay, the judges awarded him 2nd prize. Miyagi Sai is still in his 2nd year of junior high. But he's already a veteran game creator, designing his first game at just 9 years of age. 1 year later, he entered the contest and on his first ever try took 2nd prize. This year, he was aiming to come first. His entry was inspired by the Grimm brothers' nursery tale, The Musicians of Bremen. It's an action strategy game where you play various animals that each move in completely different ways. Sai's goal was to make a game you could play over and over, enjoying a fresh adventure each time. I wanted to make a game that would be interesting to play many times, so I spent almost all my efforts on perfecting the core of the game. That's what ensures the action feels different every time you play. Even before Sai started designing the full game, he made a simple version to test the core gameplay mechanic. He gave this version to his family and friends to try out. Their feedback let him know the game would have the complexity he wanted and that the action was fairly balanced. The result was that every time you play, you discover a new strategy. He'd created a game that stays full of interest no matter how many times you play. The judges gave Sai the top prize, praising his enthusiasm as well as his technical ingenuity. I started making games partly as a way to learn more about programming. What I love about IT technology is the ability it gives you to create things that are going to make lots of people happy. The next generation of games produced by the next generation of creators. The skill and passion of these young creators holds great promise for the future of gaming.